So we came back and look what they're doing. We are back from the trip.
All right. So now if you want to hold a chick.
Anna.
Can I hold this one? Come here, baby. Oh, wait. Can I hold the baby one? We're all getting
Anna, wait. She's going to pass it.
Time out, everybody. Nope.
She said you got to last, so hold it. You can hold it.
Miss Santos.
Watch it, because she looks like she's trying to fly.
All right. Fourth grader sit.
Pat her.
Fourth grader sit. Thanks, baby. Yep.
Pat her. Oh, stay cute. Are y'all keeping them in the school?
No, we give them to a farm after.
Oh, okay.
I'm keeping it.
So we have to find a place to put them.
Oh, she's like, put me down.
Yeah, we're all gonna get a chance.
They so cute. They nervous.
They're so adorable though.
I know. Oh, he got it. Let me see that one. Hey. Say, guys, we're back and we had an amazing time. Anna, where's the teacher? All right, tell her.
You have to no, she's there now. You go to Pt2. I have to go to Pt2 office and tell them you're taking me home. And they will call me from the speaker.
Guys, make sure y'all like, subscribe, press the post notification bell so every time we drop another video, y'all will be the first one to be notified. All the kids is having an amazing time. They lit. Everybody took turns to hold the birds. You scared? Don't be scared.
Come here, Nick.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Hold it nice. Oh, she look like she's trying to jump out.
All right, we're gonna. Nope. I'm gonna do it. One. Yep. You think you can do it that way?
Oh. How y'all even get them?
How many were in here? I'm nervous now.
They are so cute.
Okay.
Look at the little bowl and food right there.
Thanks, Mrs. Quattro. That was the group that missed it because of COVID. So we get eggs from Cornell Cooperative.
Hey guys, welcome back to Annalise and RJ Funwell, and they about to have a race. Hey. Not that, I said the fence. He's cheating. These kids are outside today, y'all. Say what's up to YouTube. Say what's up. How you give them the 2 fingers after you say what's up? You can't go in there. No, he can't, because that's only what his class taking. That's a different class in there. What's that we're looking at? What we looking at? No, they're not gonna come in. What the little shapy thingies?
Yeah, that look like Charlie.
Yeah, do you say it? Do you try to read it? Do you try to read it? I know.
I'm not so bad.
There's a whole nother class. Anna. Y'all like this video? Peace.